Hello, and welcome to Leadership Compass. This week on our leadership journey, we'll be learning about a very key principle, which is the principle of trust. Trust is a central part of every leadership relationship or leadership journey. As leaders, if there is no trust between us and our followers, or us and the individuals we represent, or the communities we represent, or the ideas we represent, then there can be no growth. As leaders, we cast visions, we set goals, we set ideas, we set principles. And if individuals who are supposed to help us achieve those principles do not trust us, and therefore there will be no achievement of that goal or vision. And this week, we'll be learning two key parts of firstly, how can we build trust in God? The abilities that God has given to us, the skills that God has given to us, how do we key into those skills and trust that in God that we can bring those skills to a reality, to a fruitful reality. Also, people who are working with us, people who are followers, people who are helping us bring these visions that we have cast to reality, how do we get them to trust in us? Because if there's no trust in us by people, then we cannot achieve our vision as leaders. And this is very important. Think of a very good example, which is the eagle. The eagle has so many amazing abilities. It's swift, it's strong, it's tenacious, it can pick animals that are twice its size. It has amazing vision and eyesight. Now, the ability of the eagle to be a perfect hunter or an apex predator is because it trusts that when it goes for an animal, its speed is going to allow it to catch that animal in time. Its vision is going to allow it to determine that it's the right animal that it's picking and it's not picking maybe garbage or something, right? It trusts in its vision, it trusts in its speed, and it trusts in its tenacity, right? To go for something and get it. And so as leaders in our journey, we have to understand that trust is a central part of everything we'll ever get to do. If there's no trust, then we cannot bring all we need to do into reality. And as we go on this week, we'll learn about why trust is important in our journey as leaders.